The last honoree is Gamal Abbas, and please, Jerry.
So this citation for Gamal was written by Carsten Lott, but it's a pleasure to deliver it myself, and I will do my best with this. Dr. Gamal Eldin Abbas Khalifa was born in Egypt in 1953, which, Gamal, I don't know where you are, means that you're a lot older than me, even. So there we go. He graduated with honours in medicine and surgery in Alexandria in 1977. And this was followed by a master's degree in emergency medicine and disaster medicine in Alexandria and Novara in Italy. Gamal also holds a diploma for healthcare administration, so he's pretty widely educated. Gamal started his medical career as a GP in 1979, and he was interested really right from the outset in the field of resuscitation. Following his residency in Egypt, he continued his professional career in the fields of emergency medicine and intensive care in a variety of countries in Africa and the Middle East. And from early on in his career, he very much became an expert in resuscitation who is recognized at both national and international levels. In 2001, he was one of the founders of the Egyptian Resuscitation Council, and he became well recognized as a speaker in the field of resuscitation in national and international meetings. Gamal contributed substantially to resuscitation education and indeed continues to do so. He started ERC courses in Egypt and initiated an EU-funded project for faculty development and translation of the ERC course system into the Arabic-speaking part of the world. He supported the introduction of the course in several countries in Africa, Europe, and the Middle East. Within the ERC course system, he served as an instructor, organizer, director, and educator, so multi-talented. Running courses in Africa and the Middle East is challenging. I'm sure I don't need to tell you that. And I guess it was Gamal's knowledge of the cultures of those countries and his diplomatic and fundraising skills meant that this was a success and that he could really support the ERC in achieving its main goal, bringing resuscitation to the world. As a member of the International Course Committee for Advanced Life Support, Gamal helped with course materials, course structure, and faculty development. He was part of a task force defining quality management criteria for the educational programs. He was a member of the writing groups for course manuals, instructor manuals in several editions. And Gamal participated in numerous publications on resuscitation. He's served as a co-author in several books on emergency and disaster medicine. And he's a member of writing groups for the ERC guidelines, of several writing groups of the ERC guidelines. He's also a very active reviewer for resuscitation, and for that I'm personally, of course, very, very grateful indeed. Gamal participated in most of the ERC conferences since the year 2000, and has either been a member of the scientific committee, a speaker, a poster judge, and a session chair. So he's made major contributions to our meetings. In 2010, Gamal was granted the Fellowship of the ERC for his hard work, devotion, and achievements in the field of resuscitation. Gamal is clearly a very hard-working, loyal, trusted person. He's fully committed to the aims of the ERC, and therefore it's a great pleasure that I see him awarded with honorary membership of the European Resuscitation Council. Gamal. Thank you. Where is it? Oh, there it is.
Oh, thank you all. Thanks to the board and everybody that helped us in this 22-year trip. I came to Antwerp in June 2000, and I was just don't know anything about ERC. And from that time till now, we had a long trip. Thanks to everybody who helped us. And by the way, the first one I met here was Jerry Nolan with Francesco De La Torre. Thank you all.
Now, Giuseppe is our chair of the mastermind of this conference, and I'd like to ask you to continue with the ceremony. Please, Giuseppe.